Have you discovered ebooks? They're so practical, with thousands of ebooks in a single reader. But wouldn't it be great if you could have one ebook in multiple formats that you could read on any reader and even share it with your friends without having to pay for it over and over? That's eNet Press. One price, multiple formats, many copies. Buying and reading is easy. Simply visit enetpress.com to browse from our selection of famous yet hard-to-find authors. For one initial download price, you can download an ebook 5 times in any and all of the 3 major formats you choose for up to 5 copies. This makes it easy for you to put our ebooks on all your devices. You can then share your ebooks with friends and family for free. That means whether you're using Kindle, Nook, iPad, or anything else, you can enjoy your new ebook everywhere, all for that one download price. And we're constantly adding to our library with authors like C.S. Forster, Taylor Caldwell, Thorne Smith, and John Collier. Better ebooks on all your favorite readers, only from eNet Press. Visit our ebook store to browse for your favorite titles from The Hornblower Saga, The Ship, The Good Shepherd, Dear and Glorious Physician, and more. Thank you.